In this video, we're going to go over how you can get a blue name here in Clash Royale. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to stand out here in Clash Royale with a blue colored name, here's exactly how you can do it step by step. Begin by opening up Clash Royale and clicking these three lines in the top right corner. Select settings here and then select change name. Now if it's your first time changing your name, it is free, but if you've already changed your name once, it's going to cost you 500 gems. In my case, I need to pay this 500 gems, so I'm going to go ahead and select that just like so. And now you're going to want to go ahead and type in your name following this exact format. Do this little bracket here and then type in C4 and then close out this bracket just like so. And then type in your name. In my case, I'm going to do just Boz. And then open the bracket again. Do this little dash here. Do a capital C and then go ahead and close out the bracket just like so. Now the code C4 actually turns your name blue. For example, mine would be a blue version of just Boz. But it really is as simple as this. Now I'm not going to go ahead and hit continue here, just because I don't want to spend the 500 gems, but essentially once you tap continue, your name will now show up in blue. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. But have a great rest of your day. Peace.